The Active Learning Manual is a collection of techniques for facilitators of active learning, such as teachers, trainers, consultants or coaches. In fact, this manual is for anyone who helps people learn from what they do. In active learning, the learner is an active participant, not a passive recipient. Active learning involves a much wider range of learning skills, and so it helps people become more versatile as learners. These videos show you how to maintain high levels of motivation and participation when facilitating a review. In all these videos, notice who is using, holding, making or moving the various communication aids. Yes, these aids are tools that participants use for communicating and learning. The first video shows participants performing action replays of the most interesting or most critical moments. They use a dummy remote control and a dummy microphone to bring out more information or to ask challenging questions of each other. Another video shows how holding onto a rope keeps everyone connected. The knots moving around the circle give everyone frequent opportunities to speak up and join in. In fact, ropes have many uses in active learning. Another example is storyline, where the storyteller creates a wiggly timeline showing their ups and downs. The storyteller then walks along their rope while telling their story. This method helps to make everyone a better storyteller. Another useful storytelling aid is moving stones. This method helps people to talk about how a group changes over time. People touch and move the stones as they tell their story. Moving stones improves the quality of communication about how a group or team grows and develops. For improving the quality of group discussions, you can use "Where do you stand?" In this, participants show where they stand on an issue by choosing their place on a curved spectrum. After talking with a friendly neighbour, everyone is well prepared for a lively group discussion, during which everyone's point of view is clearly visible. Another lively group discussion method is turntable. This method allows people to view things from 2 or 3 different perspectives. Everyone gets a chance to speak on all sides of the discussion as they move around the circle. You can even use active methods for feedback. The spokes, for example, starts with each person rating their own performance by how far they move along a spoke towards the centre of a giant wheel. People who seem to have undervalued their performance are invited by others to move closer to the centre. As you can see, active learning uses many senses, skills and intelligences. Active learning makes learning more inclusive while also developing everyone's learning skills. Active learning helps people learn more and remember more. It also assists the transfer of learning. Future editions of the Active Learning Manual will help you grow and develop your own toolkit, whether you are an active learner or a facilitator of active learning, or a bit of both. So remember to sign up for future editions of the Active Learning Manual.